Some people are fortunate to have a spacious room while others do not. They have to put up with a small space and downsize the essential furniture as well. Well, maybe you don't need to do that if you invest in a convertible bed. The convertible bed is everyone's favorite, especially those struggling with space. It can help you feel comfortable despite a small room. So, do you also have the same problem with limited space? Dive into these 10 convertible beds for small rooms. And as always, Simp Home presents you with the list. 10. The sofa bed idea. A bed that also works as a sofa or vice versa is high on demand, as you need to use it for many purposes, such as sleeping and sitting. During the day, you would love to sit there and convert it into a bed and lay yourself in it when the night comes. When you like sleeping outside the bedroom, this magic sofa can turn into a bed and can even hold more than one person if it's wide enough. The sofa bed you choose should meet your needs and styles. You can select a single bed option or multiple beds if you want. Also, considering that it's narrower than other beds, it will be better to keep the design simple. 9. A Murphy bed with twin bookcase idea. A simple way to instantly make a little room wide is to remove the bed. Yes, this idea will be possible with this Murphy bed that can flip back. It's a bed with a twin bookcase on the left and right sides. Replicating the idea, you could use the left side to place your laptop, a book, or your favorite glass of milk, just in case you feel like having it when reading. On the right side, instead of placing the bookcase, you can put a power strip for charging your devices. You will never need to see any cables. You can flip the bed back and take a nap with this small twin bookcase attached, or it will be nice if you put some folded clothes inside to make it look tidy. 8. Get a sofa bed with a ladder idea. This sofa can do what a transformer does in a movie. Yes, it has a brilliant feature that allows it to make a bunk bed. That's what makes this sofa bed distinguishable from others. If your children have to share a room, this space-saving sofa bed would be a great solution. It also has a ladder that comes with it to climb in safely. A ladder is the most crucial thing that we look into when it comes to making the kids' bunk beds. It's an essential requirement that they must have. But of course, you will have to decide what kind of ladder you need. Some ladders have a footboard, a single rung, and 2 rungs on them. We recommend you get a ladder that comes with a footboard. Apart from that footboard, make sure you get other essential parts for your children to climb safely. 7. Pull it out. Buying a bed and a sofa simultaneously can be a waste of money for some people if they're on a budget. Besides, they may also be short on space. Therefore, a convertible sofa bed is the only choice. You may place this sofa bed in a corner or in the middle of the room. Some people may want to separate them for easier cleaning. Then pull-out couch doesn't need its own space, but it should be placed away from doors or fireplaces, since it's effortless to burn it down on fire when you need to use it as another bed. You may also consider installing a security system so that your guests won't have access to other parts of your house while sleeping on the sofa bed. 6. A sofa bed with extra storage. This practical sofa bed comes in handy with storage underneath. Who on earth doesn't need storage in their house? It has a spacious storage under the bed to put a fairly huge object in it. Just because it has storage, it doesn't mean you can throw anything in there, though. You can use the storage space to stash away extra cushions for the couch. You could also toss 1 or 2 throws so that you can grab them fast when the weather is chilling. 5. Consider the magic box-like chair idea. Need something tidier or smaller than a sofa? This convertible chair is here for you. It has a box shape and can turn into a chair, a couch, and a bed. It's easy to store or hide with such a size. Only those who live in a little room know how it feels when trying to squeeze some space out of it. Therefore, this magic chair comes to the rescue with all of its functions. The drawback of such a chair or sofa bed is that you have to set it up every time you sleep or sit. But it's still comfortable enough compared to getting bumped over anything in the room when having a conventional bed in general. 4. This time, hide your bed. This picture is a real example of a hidden bed. It shows how valuable a smart design is. Everybody wouldn't have guessed that there was a bed hidden in there because your guests would think it was just a drawer in it. It maximizes the use of space with a convertible bed. As the name says, this room will impress anybody who pays a visit as it looks clean and uncluttered. One of the secrets is the hidden bed itself. The design of this condo is elegant and tidy with simple lines and a minimalist approach. It's an ideal example of how to execute an intelligent design. This homeowner was very clear about what she wanted her new condo to look like by designing it herself. 3. A convertible bed with bookshelves idea. The height of a bed typically comes from its legs, but this convertible bed got the answer when you would like to use the underbed storage space. This bed features twin bookshelves, and with this design, this convertible bed would be your children's favorite, as they can play on the floor while reading books. To replicate this idea, you'll only need to get 2 twin bed frames, one that can be used as a surface and the other to serve as a bookcase. The twin mattress will then rest on top of the floor. If you want extra storage space, add 2 frames on the wall in front of the bookshelves. You can also add shelves behind the headboard to store toys and other things your kids play with or use for their daily activities. You can also consider using a desk as a surface for your study. The desk should come with storage space so your kids won't mix up their things. 2. Get them bunk beds. When you have 2 unseparated kids who wouldn't live apart from each other, there's nothing that can give them more happiness than to provide them with a bunk bed. A bunk bed can save some space, and it also offers safety standards as it comes with a railing. However, jumping too high or moving too wild can cause you in danger as you might fall off. A bunk bed is easy to install, and you can just follow the assembly instructions. For people with limited space, this bed type is better than having 2 beds in a bedroom. And lastly, number 1, a portable bed idea for a guest. If you're somehow popular among your friends, relatives, or colleagues, the chance of having guests come by is high. It simply means that you have to provide a room and a bed for them. To build a compact bedroom ideal for your next guests, all you need to do is prepare some beds, pillows, and blankets. Next, you can start constructing these units using the parts as guides. Some sleepers can be attached to the wall and folded and placed in a closet when not in use. Some of these bed designs can be attached to the wall to take up not much space. Some are designed for tiny houses with a sleeper to fit under the staircase. It does not block access to traffic or the stairs below, but instead makes use of the space. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video if you truly enjoy it, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.